the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom.
The story of India's independence is a story of extraordinary courage, unwavering determination, and selfless sacrifice. Thousands of brave men and women dedicated their lives to the dream of a free and united India, standing strong against British rule with remarkable resilience and patriotism. The sacrifices not only won us our independence but also left behind a timeless legacy of bravery and national pride. As we remember their heroic journey, let us honor their legacy by cherishing our freedom and serving our nation with pride. March 29, 1857, in Barakpur, a young sepoy stood tall against an empire. Forced to use rifle cartridges that violated his fate, Mangal Pandey chose courage over submission. Raising his musket, he fired the very first shot of resistance against British rule. Though executed shortly after, his sacrifice could not be silenced. That single act of defiance became the spark that ignited the Indian Rebellion of 1857. One man's conviction proved that a single spark can light the fire of freedom across a nation. She was not born to yield, she was born to rule. When the British tried to claim her kingdom, Rani Lakshmi Bai of Jhansi refused to bow. With her infant child tied to her back and a sword in hand, she charged onto the battlefield, a vision of pure courage. Though she fell in the battle, her fierce spirit ignited a revolution, proving that true royalty dies fighting for freedom.
तिलक और हाथ खड़क दुर्गा है काली माई है अश्व चढ़ी प्रचंड विकट ये मनु है लक्ष्मी बाई है शोले बरसेंगे अब तुझ पर तेरी शामत आई है भाग रे भाग फिरंगी झांसी की रानी आई है काली तिलक पर हाथ खड़क दुर्गा है काली माई है
At just 23, when most are beginning life, Bhagat Singh gave away his for a cause greater than himself. Unshakable in the face of tyranny, his voice echoed through the courtroom walls with a simple revolutionary cry, Inqilab Zindabad. He walked the gallows smiling, transforming his ultimate sacrifice into an eternal flame of freedom that awakened an entire nation.
थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी धूल मेरी धरती की मेरे वतन की थोड़ी सी खुशबू बारी से मस्त पवन की थोड़ी सी धोखने वाली धक 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 सांसें जिनमें हो चुनू चुनू वो बूंदे लाल लहू की ये सब तो मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले ये सब तो मिला मिला ले फिर रंग तो खिला खिला ले और मोहे तुरंग दे बसंती यारा मोहे तुरंग दे बसंती मोहे 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 रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती बसंती रंग दे बसंती मोहे रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती रंग दे बसंती यार
While others sang freedom through patience, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose demanded action. Believing that liberty is never given, it is taken, he organized the Indian National Army and raised a battle cry that stirred a million hearts. Give me blood and I will give you freedom. A fearless strategist and eternal patriot, Netaji taught a nation to look an empire in the eye and fight for its destiny.
तीजा तेरा रंग तुम्हें दो तीजा तेरा रंग तुम्हें दो जिया तेरे ढंग से मैं तो तू ही था मौला तू ही आन मौला
Armed with no weapon, guided only by truth and non-violence, Mahatma Gandhi shook the foundation of an empire. From the Salt March to the quiet strength of peaceful resistance, he proved that true power lies not in force, but in soul force. A humble leader who taught the world that love and conviction can conquer tyranny.
माटी पुकारे तुझे देश पुकारे आजा रे अब आजा रे भूले हम राह हमें राह दिखा दे आजा रे राह दिखा दे सैनिक पहने लाठी पकड़े चलते थे वो शान से सालिम का पे थर 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 सुनकर उनका नाम रे पल था उनका छोटा सा और सरपट उनकी चाल रे दुबले से पतले से थे वो चलते सीना तान गे बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम बंदे में था दम बंदे मातरम
As the final echoes of this tribute fade, let us remember that the freedom we celebrate today was not gifted to us. It was earned through the courage, sacrifice, and unwavering spirit of countless freedom fighters. Their dreams became our reality, their struggles became our strength, and their love for the nation became our legacy. May we always honor their sacrifices by upholding the value of unity, peace, and patriotism.